I can see, I'm going to isolate this. There's something weird going on the way it's not, like these faces look sort of unselected. It's very strange. Um, I'm going to do, I've already run mesh cleanup on this. Mesh cleanup options with all of these options checked. Laminate faces, non-manifold geometry, edges with zero length, faces with zero geometry, faces with zero map arrow, invalid components. And, but when you do that, it's like pinching that area, like it's merging a whole bunch of verts there, so I don't like that. So I think there's generally some kind of problem with the mouse geometry. So I would, and I can tell by just the way these faces are built and stuff. I'm just double clicking there. I don't know why it's picking around the front too. It's very, yeah, there's just something very odd about this model. Like I can't even see what's selected on it. So I'm just trying to delete some of that inside of the mouth, because that's where I think some of our problems are. Okay, oh yeah, and there's some wackiness over here in the corner of the mouth. Um, yeah, definitely let's take out, oof, symmetry's not working either. Okay, not so great. Let's delete half the face off. I think I missed something here. Okay, and then select the verts along the center line. Just check the selection, make sure it's only those vertices selected. And let's make sure they're exactly in the center. I'll expand this little, not that one, this one. Go to absolute transform, move tool, 0 in the X direction. Okay, they're already centered, which is good. Object mode, shift right mouse click, mirror options, turn off cut geometry, combine with original, merge with border vertices, auto custom 0.001 mirror. Okay, so let's hope symmetry works now. Oof, there's something wrong with the eyes too. This geometry here is all messed up. Let's see if symmetry is working now. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's really... I'm just going to grow selection. Oh, it's kind of going berserk. Look, it's selected those. That's so... Oh, I see. It's gone much further. I just can't see my selection. Sometimes if you go, if this is acting weird, I can go mesh, set to mesh display, set to face. No, mesh display, conform. Yeah, no, it's not helping at all. Harden edge. No, that helps a little bit. Yeah, it's still being weird with these selection things. Okay, well, deleting out some of these problems areas. I'm just shift double clicking around there. Okay, and then symmetry's on, and yeah, let's delete out that one. Shift right mouse click, delete edge. Um, it's looking okay now. And then now you can, now that this is, save a version of this. And let's just use Control E for extrude. Gonna move that back a bit. Control E for extrude again. W for move that back. Let's turn off symmetry. Scale that one up a bit. And then Control E, W for move that back. Scale that down a bit. So we have, maybe narrow it this way. So we have a mouth interior now. I might try to close this a little bit, double click on that, and scale that down this way a little bit. Might slide that edge forward, shift right mouse click, slide edge. That's a little better. Okay, so now I have, you know, you could shape that a little bit more, but at least the geometry is clean now. And then same with the eyes. We can see. Yeah, I mean, you're going to want to do this with these visible, ideally. Let's turn symmetry back on. Control E. Is that going to let me do that? Yeah. Anyway, you can work on that more and shape it, but save that version of it. And then now the geometry doesn't have as much craziness going on. Let's try soften edge. Let's delete history, Alt-Shift-D. We'll delete it off the selected surface. And let's see if we can send this guy to Mudbox. File, send to Mudbox, send as new scene. It's launching Mudbox. Okay, some UVs are too close together. Okay. We can take a look at that. So it's probably going to be a little, it's importing, which is good, but let's take a look at the UVs now. Panel UV editor. Oof, that's, yeah. Okay, this completely needs to be redone. So I'll start that over, UV planar, just to get rid of any cuts, and let's just cut this guy up. Let's do the neck. Click over here, Shift X to cut that. Let's do this, but I'll deselect the front of the face there. Shift X. Okay, let's get that, and should we go back one to follow this edge around? Maybe I'll sew that one. Maybe this one too. And let's go here, maybe. Don't like the way that's going around the ear, but I'm gonna grab those. And let's try to go around the ear. Okay, Shift X. Okay, that's cut out. And then maybe that one. Except I don't want to cut through the ear like that, just to the top of the ear. And not this one either. Okay, Shift X. Alright. Let's see how that unfolds. Control U, Control U, Control L. Let's look at the checker. Not terrible, not great. Might do a little bit of splitting here, Shift X, and a little bit at the chin here, just to give it a little bit more room to spread those out. And let's see, because I can see the checkers are bigger here and smaller and slightly warped there. Let's unfold again. Control U. Oh, that already looks better. Control L. At least better than it did. Okay, so let's call that OK at least. And let's try to send that to Mudbox. File, send to Mudbox. Don't save. And no errors. Great. Okay, well, there you go. I'll save this and send this to you as well.